am there. So we are in the 13th day of our virtual class of grade 7, and we were in unit 7, and we have already discussed about the summary of this poem Stopping by Horse. So in our last video I had explained you, or I had done two exercises, that is true false and fill in the gaps. In our last video we have done that, and now let's move towards the next exercise, that is answer the following question. So this is not so hard, this question answer is not so hard, but even though I am going to help you throughout this. Okay, so let's see here. In question number 1 there is who do the words I and he refer to? So in this poem I refers to whom and he refers to whom, right? So let's see here. The word I refers to the poet. The word I refers to the poet as a speaker, and he refers to the owner of the verse, and he refers to the owner of the verse. So here, who do the words I and he refers to? The word I refers to the poet as a speaker, and he refers to the. Now come to number 2. Where is the house of the owner? So the house of the owner is in. This is simple, right? Now let's see our number 3 question. Number 3. Why does the horse think it is queer? And queer means unusual or strange, okay? It's queer to stop there. So here the horse thinks it is queer to stop there. It is queer to stop there because there is no farmhouse. There is no farmhouse nearby. Okay, there was no any farmhouse near the horse. That's why the horse it was feeling strange, or it was feeling very queer to stop there. So now let's move to question number 4. Question number 4. Where had the speaker start? So the speaker has stopped between the woods and frozen lake. So the speaker has stopped between woods and frozen lake. Number 5. So how is the weather described in the poem? Next question is, how is the weather described in the poem? So see here, the weather is described in the poem. The weather harness bells a shake to see if there is some mistake. So you can see if there is some mistake, right? So the horse gives the harness bells a shake to see if there is some mistake. Okay, and then now let's come to number 7. So what can the speaker hear? What can the speaker hear? The speaker can hear sound of sweep, of easy wind and downy flag. This answer is also given in your book. Okay, so you can see that. A speaker can hear sound of sweep of easy wind and downy flag. Number 8. Now come to number 8. So our 8 number question is, what can be the promise of the speaker? What can be the promise of a speaker? So the promise of a speaker can be to reach his destination. So the speaker here has promised to reach the destination anyhow. Okay, that's why it could be the promise of the speaker. Number 9. What is the meaning of and miles to go before I sleep? So the meaning of and miles to go before I sleep. Means that the speaker has to cover a long distance. Before he sleeps. It means the speaker has to cover a long distance before he sleeps. This is the meaning of the and miles to go before I sleep. Now number 10. Number 10. The last one. Why can't the speaker stay there for long? The speaker cannot stop there for long because he has to go, because he has miles to. Okay, so why cannot the speaker stop there for long? The speaker cannot stop there for long because he has miles to go. So dear student, this much for today. You write the question answer is very easy, okay? But even though I have told you for your help, so just write this in your straight copy, read it, okay? And the remaining exercise I will make you to do in our upcoming video. So till then, take care.